Alright guys, 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.3 liter V8. Got a really, it's the Southern Comfort Edition. Really clean. You guys can see, got some nice wheels. Got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single right there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back. And we put a vibrant resonator instead of the Flowmaster 4 that's over there. Okay? And we have to put a Y pipe on it to make it fit into his existing duals. And then also we just freshened it up for him and put him some double wall 4-inch stainless steel tips there and there, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second, and like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the muffler we took off, and there's the tips we took off. Vibrant exhaust and new tips. Go ahead.